To the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to uninstall AutoCAD. For that you have to go to add and remove programs in your settings menu, and as your tab opens it will show like apps, installed apps. In that, in this you just need to search AutoCAD. Okay, so your this three files will come, which is for the setup file, and one file, this performance feedback tool, is for a file that gives the Autodesk company a feedback about how the software is going, and if any update or it is not working properly, then this tool is for that. So just you need to go about on this three dots and just press uninstall. That's it. Go on three dots, press uninstall. Go on those three dots, press uninstall. I am not going to do it. This is just to show you how to uninstall AutoCAD because I want it, and this video is for the one who doesn't want AutoCAD or want to install the crack version of it and they are not able to, is just because they have not deleted all the files. So that's it, and thank you for watching. Share with someone who may need it. Thank you.